Procedure for experiment number 1. Cut away the base of the plastic wrap so there's a big hole at the bottom.
Use the plastic wrap to cover the hole that was created when you cut away at the bottle's base. You want to do this so that the plastic wrap stretches nice and tight, like you're making a drum. To do this, use the tape to secure the plastic wrap on one side of the bottle and then stretch the plastic wrap over the hole tightly. This will deform the bottle. That's okay. Once you have stretched the plastic secured on the other side, continue to do this several times using tape to hold the plastic wrap so that it is stretched tightly across the hole.
You should now have a makeshift drum on the bottom of the bottle. If you flick it with your finger, you should hear a dull thump.
Hold the bottle so that the opening from which you drink is pointing towards your ear. Flick the plastic wrap again to hear the sound as it comes through the bottle.
Light the candle.
Hold the bottle so that the opening from which you pour is pointed right at the flame. Try to hold the opening as close to the flame as you can without melting it or setting it on fire! Exclamation mark. See the illustration below.
When the bottle opening is positioned properly, flick the plastic wrap at the other end so you hear the dull thump.
What happened in the candle flame?
Hey guys, Camperman John, Explorerman John here. We're going to be making rice. Isn't that right?
Okay. So we're going to have the plastic wrap, or whatever this is, and put it over the bowl, put the rice on the bowl, hold the pot over the bowl, and then hit the pot and the rice will jump. Rice.
I've got the rice.
No, you don't.
Can I put it in there?
How did you get the rice?
Camperman John, Explorerman John's guns ways.
Closer. Like I don't want to break it.
Yeah, Karen, John, Explorerman John.
Yeah, Karen, John, Explorerman John.